This is Dylan. This is my magic mirror. Don't judge my woodwork. This is the first prototype. Here's the software that's running behind the scenes. I recreated the mirror in the application, and you can drag and drop these widgets. So I'm going to drag and drop some weather up here in the top left-hand corner, and when I let it go, it'll create the weather, but then it'll also add the weather here onto the mirror itself. So you can do more than just drag and drop. You can also change the styling. So if I wanted to change the font size to be much, much bigger, I can do that. And it'll reflect in real time over here. Yes, much bigger. So what else can we do? We can move them around. Say I want it over here instead. It will reflect in real time. And then I can also, let's say if I just wanted to move it over to the right-hand side of the screen just so I could see it better, I can do that. Just change this over here. Much, much nicer. I also have other widgets such as your Twitter feed. So here you can drag and drop the feed. And again, it shows up over here. And it has a nice kind of scrolling effect. And you can put your Facebook on there. You can put any kind of social media you'd like. I also have a clock. You can drag and drop the clock over here. And it looks a little small. Yeah, it looks a little small up there too. But you can also configure it. You say, hey, I really don't like how small it is. Let's make it much bigger. And let's change the color to, I like tomato. It's a fun color. Tomato. So now it turned red, and then up there it turned red as well. It's kind of hard to see. Probably a bad color choice. But you get the general idea. There's a lot of opportunity for different widgets here. You can also add, this one's my favorite, you can drag and drop how long your commute is. So here it'll tell you if how far away from home to work. And that's what that number right here is, 50 minutes in traffic about. Let's make that a little bit bigger. Yeah, 50 minutes. And here it's still rendering. It's gonna take a while because it's a lot of code. But any changes on that screen are gonna affect here in real time. And here you can change, say I work in New York City. New York. This is my work. And that changed from Ohio to New York. Cool. So, from afar, great. Thank you.